Okay, good day. This is Chibuzago, and you're welcome to Blogging for Tech channel once again. If you're new to the channel, I would like you to hit the subscribe button and also the bell notification so that you get notified whenever I release a video just like this. And actually, today we shall be looking at how to create a custom URL, yes, for your YouTube channel. As you can know, actually, some people say that it's actually a form of SEO, that is, it optimizes your channel more for visibility, but I don't really know how true is that. But in this video I'll be showing how to do that. Periodically the user interface of platform do changes, just like Google and and YouTube as well, and they keep on updating. So in this video I'll be showing how to create a custom URL for your channel using the current interface. Yes, this video is shoot or I created this video in December 2020, which I believe it will also work fine when we move into 2021. Like you already know, most videos you'll find already on YouTube actually uses the old interface, so that's why I decided to use this one. So Blogging for Tech is the channel, so hit the subscribe button. So let's go. So the first thing you do, like you already know, this is my channel, so you look at your YouTube logo icon at the top right corner on your screen. So you click on it, then you move to your channel, and already I'm in my channel already. So now once you're in your channel, you now hit on the customize channel button. Seems the internet speed is a bit slow, so let's go, we'll get there. So once you're in your channel customization window, so the next thing you'll do, you look at the left corner of your screen, you scroll, yes, it's on the customization. So now you move to what? Basic info. The basic info, this is where you have your blog, your channel description and whatsoever. So you scroll down, then you see channel URL. So the next thing you do is to set a custom URL for your channel. You see the mouse cursor as I'm hovering over it. But before you proceed, for a new channel, I think is not, as in the feature is not available yet, just like I learned, but I don't really know how true is that. For example, they say that you must have attained a subscription or subscribers of 100 before you be able to set a custom URL, and have exceeded that. So let's just move, and if you have done that, or maybe you've attained more than 100 subscribers in your channel, then you now move to this step. So you click on set a custom URL, and like you already know, YouTube gives you the best, giving you a custom URL based on the name of your channel, just like you have seen. So Blogging for Tech is a channel, so they gave me this, and I'll decide to go with it because I have no option. So I'll go with it. Yeah. So once I'm done, I'll now click on publish, because that means I've affected a change in my YouTube channel. I'll just click on publish. You can do so many things in this very portion, but all I'm after is just to customize my channel URL. So my URL, going by the new channel, will have Blogging for Tech at the end instead of those letters that I don't really know what the meaning are. Yes, UCHV2K. So that's that. So I click on publish. They say confirm custom URL. So once a custom URL is set, it can be changed or it cannot be changed or transferred to a different channel. So that's the information you get. So if you go by that, or you want to adhere to the prompt, you just click on confirm. But if you want to cancel, you go back and cancel and keep on using your former URL. So you just click on confirm, because I'm going with it. So let's go to the channel now. Like I already know, they said it will take some time before the change will affect. Let's see how long it takes.
Every single day.
Let me just take one more.
Every single day. I'm going something great.
I don't really know how long it takes, but once it comes up, maybe 24 hours or so, but I believe it should be less than 24 hours. The channel URL has been changed, so
Every single day.
So this very customized one I have chosen. Custom URL, say that is that. So you can see how easy it is for you to create or customize the URL of your channel, your YouTube channel in 2020 and maybe in beyond using the new YouTube channel interface. You can see that it's quite easy compared to the former one whereby you have to go through various processes and link. So with that, we've come to the end of this video, and before you leave, I would like you to hit the subscribe button if you haven't, and also hit the bell notification so that you'll be the first to get notified whenever I release a video just like this. So Chibuzo Agua remains my name, and Blogging for Tech is the channel. So we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.